In this video, I'll guide you through how to find your Salesforce Org ID. If you're working with Salesforce, knowing your Org ID is crucial for various administrative and development tasks. It's essentially a unique identifier for your Salesforce environment, and finding it is a straightforward process. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Salesforce dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon, which is your gateway to the settings menu. Click on that gear icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you need to select the option labeled Setup. This step is your first move into the back end of Salesforce, where all the configuration and customization magic happens. Now that you're in the Setup area, look over to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find a search box titled Quick Find. This is a handy tool that allows you to swiftly navigate through the vast number of settings available in Salesforce. In this Quick Find search box, type in Company Information. This will help you filter through the options to quickly locate the section we need. After typing in company information, you'll see a list of options appear below the search box. From this filtered list, click on Company Information. This is where Salesforce stores all the key details about your organization, including the elusive Org ID we're after. Once you've clicked on Company Information, a new page will open displaying a wealth of information about your Salesforce organization. Take a moment to glance through the details presented here. They provide a comprehensive overview of your organization's setup and are worth familiarizing yourself with if you're new to Salesforce. Now, direct your eyes to the right-hand column of the top section on this page. This is where you'll find the Salesforce.com Organization ID field. Your Org ID will be displayed here, usually as a lengthy string of numbers and letters. This identifier is unique to your organization, and it's important to keep it handy for any Salesforce support or configuration tasks. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Salesforce Org ID. This simple process is an essential trick to have up your sleeve, whether you're troubleshooting, working with integrations, or simply managing your Salesforce environment. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more Salesforce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.